Yeah. That's right. This guy released the Pooh Bear. He's a mini clip. Now it's getting
Put your bag down. Put your bag down, honey. No. Wait, one at a time. The steps are over here, sweetheart. Yep. Why don't you put your, yep.
Do you have to reach inside the bucket?
Nope, take the bucket. The bucket is yours. Whichever one
I
doesn't
want
matter.
blue. I want blue. Hey, I want blue.
Ella.
Maybe she can
There's
switch
a
with you.
water bottle.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Do you care if you have the blue or the pink, Emily?
No.
So maybe you can switch to the pink
There's
one.
like a blind egg. Candy castle inside.
Oh.
Dear.
Come on down. Well, come down the list.
And there's like an orange pretty
carefully.
bottle. What'd
Okay.
you get? Oh, you got a pink one. A throw. Can we swap? No, sorry.
Wait, why don't you swap color buckets, but you can keep the contents? Can we do that?
Yeah, just the color.
Do you like pink?
It still has an egg. I like blue.
Yeah.
But blue's my favorite.
I think you like pink.
I thought you
Blue's
liked
my
pink.
favorite.
Yeah, Ella's favorite color actually is blue.
I actually saw pink on you today, Emily.
Yeah, Ella's
Still has
favorite pink too.
candy castles
okay.
inside. Can we switch the
But that was
water
my choice, not
bottles?
hers. Ella,
If
if she switched the
why
color,
don't
you switch the bottle color.
That's a fair deal.
I think that's a fair
very
deal.
good deal. Okay,
Can you
let's
open
read
the
it.
egg?
Not now. Let's see what else you got. Let's
Can I
read
read the
one.
next
Yep,
one?
you read the next one. It's your
Right
turn to read the next
there.
one. Right here.
Find the black wheelbarrow, then look inside the bag that it is inside. Put the gift in your bag. I think I know where that is.
Find the black wheelbarrow.
You guys get your bags over here.
See what's inside.
Hey, Emily, I got your bag here for you. Here's your bag.
Em, here's your bag. Are you all set?
Oh,
You send me that? Yes,
Okay.
I emailed it to you. The 1 hour version.
Okay, Emily, your turn to read the next one.
look inside of the Bridgewood Peach. See what you can find in there. Oh, it's right there.
These clues are really easy. I think they need to make this harder.
Don't complain.
Hey, you know,
I know how many hours went into this.
us older folk want our own egg hunt. We've been complaining. We feel we're having age discrimination here.
Well, the older kids are beginning to outgrow it, so.
Yay! Can I see the...
Ow! Ella, afterwards, you guys can look at trading
This
things.
is a better cat for...
Ella?
This
Ella.
is a better pack for me anyway.
Okay. Well, maybe you have individual ones you can trade.
Yeah, like, maybe like duplicates.
Okay, who's
I
turn
know
to
what
read the
that-
next one?
Mine. No, it's mine.
Okay.
Right there. There is a birdhouse on the left side of the yard. Will you find a gift hidden nearby? I think
Yep.
it's right here.
Left side of the yard. Which is the left side of the yard?
That one.
There's birdhouses everywhere.
Yeah, it's the left side of the yard.
Go, go fast. Okay. I can't believe I got Shopkins on the kayak.
From the king of Shopkins, you can't believe you got more? What a surprise. Hey, Dad.
Okay. All right.
It's inside there.
What does it say? No, it doesn't say in. It says you will find a gift hidden nearby.
Oh.
So look around. There's a gift hidden
Look.
nearby.
Oh, yeah. Hey, look, they kind of, hey, Ella?
Keep looking.
Dry erase marker. I see.
Look more, honey.
Ella, I think yours is, here, give me the bag.
Look around. You'll find it.
Ella, no, that's Emily's. Ella?
But
There's
No,
that
but
one.
that's hers. Right.
two things.
Mm-hmm.
Dry erase board.
Ella?
Another marker.
Ella, do you want to put it in the bag? Okay. Why don't you carry this bag and I'll take the one we need music.
Will you do this?
No. No. You're hot.
Your turn.
Bob?
Yeah.
I have the music
Me?
set up. if you
Where is
wanna
it?
just-
Yeah, it's your turn.
What do we do?
Okay, you've got another.
Things.
Emily, it's your
Do I
turn to
press
read.
it or bring it over here? Or what do we
No,
do?
no,
with
no. Mom wants it over there.
it? Where is it?
It's on the ground.
Emily, your
You'll
turn
see
to
it.
read
It's
this
all
next
set up.
paragraph.
Oh, I know what it is. Go through there.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Now walk through Grandpa's pergola and take this trail up into the hill in search of Simba and a small treasure chest he is holding for you. You may hear Simba roaring as you go. He's detecting your treasure. You don't need to be afraid.
I think we should be very afraid. Very afraid.
Tell them to stop.
Wait.
Which one? Which one? Circle of Life.
Stop.
Which one is? Which one?